Welcome, my friends. I am the almighty El Borba. Yes, that's right. This is what I wanted to show you. I've got a Mexican wrestling mask. Pretty cool, eh? Yes, it is the almighty El Borba. And if you lived in the 80s, if you grew up in the 80s, then you would know what that meant. So yeah, I got this little bastard. Hang on, I got this bastard at Supernova, which is kind of Australia's version of Comic-Con. So yeah, Dad and I went to that. It was in Melbourne at the Melbourne Showgrounds this year. So yeah, 2012 Supernova. Woo! Yeah, I got a lot of stuff actually. So yeah, I'm doing the Shane Dawson thing. You don't know how tasty you are. Crap. There we go. That's much better. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that. See what you think. So this goes for both videos. Leave a comment and a like, and basically say whatever the hell you like, and say all that in the crotch. Bye. I'm doing too much Shane Dawson stuff. See you later, guys. Bye.